Welcome to your slice of Maine charm, an adorable restored cape sitting on nearly 6 acres of peaceful countryside. This 3-bedroom, 1-bath home blends historic character with thoughtful updates, creating a space that's as warm and welcoming as it is practical. From the moment you arrive, you can feel the care and detail that has gone into making this house move-in ready. Step inside, and you'll find an inviting kitchen and dining area, the perfect spot to gather with family or friends. The cozy living room offers a relaxing retreat after a long day, while the full bathroom and convenient laundry room make everyday living a breeze. There's even a den with direct access to the back deck, ideal for enjoying your morning coffee while overlooking the peaceful yard. Upstairs, you'll discover 3 comfortable bedrooms, each with plenty of natural light and charm. Whether you're creating a guest room, home office, or simply a cozy space for family, these bedrooms give you the flexibility you need. The layout strikes the perfect balance between historic New England character and modern functionality. This home has been lovingly restored with a number of updates you'll appreciate right away. A brand new roof, fresh paint inside and out, new flooring, and more thoughtful improvements ensure that you can move in and start enjoying your new space without the stress of major projects. One of the standout features is the attached barn and garage. Not only does it provide excellent storage, but it also offers space above for even more possibilities, whether that's a workshop, studio, or simply a spot to tuck things away. It's that versatile New England touch that makes the property so special. Outside, the 5.9-acre lot offers privacy and room to create the lifestyle you've been dreaming of. There's plenty of space to garden, recreate, or simply enjoy the beauty of the countryside. It's the kind of setting where you can slow down, unwind, and take in the fresh Maine air. This property strikes the rare balance between history and convenience. It keeps the authentic details that make a cape so timeless while offering all the updates you need for today's living. Whether you're searching for a forever home, a seasonal getaway, or a place to put down roots, this one checks all the boxes. Opportunities like this don't come along often. With its updates, charm, and nearly 6 acres of land, this cape is move-in ready and waiting for its next chapter. Don't miss your chance. Schedule your showing today and experience firsthand